Ever wondered how different ETFs compare in terms of their investment strategies and historical performance? Well, today we're diving into a comparative analysis of 4 popular ETFs: the Vanguard Total World Stock Index Fund ETF, or VT for short, the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund ETF, known as VTI, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, or VOO, and the Invesco QQQ ETF, simply referred to as QQQ. First, let's unpack their investment strategies. VT seeks to track the performance of the FTSE Global All-Cap Index, providing exposure to both well-established and still developing markets worldwide, including the US VTI, on the other hand, aims to track the performance of the CRSP US Total Market Index, offering comprehensive exposure to the entire US equity market, from small to large-cap growth and value stocks. VOO sets its sights on the performance of the S&P 500 index, investing in 500 of the largest US companies across various industries. Now imagine if you had invested $10,000 in each of these ETFs 10 years ago. With an annual return of 11.52%, VTI would have seen your initial investment grow to approximately $29,500. VOO, with an annual return of 12.07%, would have pushed your $10,000 to roughly $31,160. VT, with an 8.15% annual return, would have increased your investment to around $21,940. And QQQ, with a whopping 17.77% annual return, would have ballooned your $10,000 to approximately $51,200. In terms of returns, QQQ came out on top, reflecting the significant growth in the technology sector over the past decade. However, this higher return comes with increased risk and volatility due to its focus on tech and non-financial sectors. VOO and VTI also showed strong performance, with VOO slightly outperforming due to its focus on the largest US companies, which have driven much of the market's gains. VT showed the lowest growth, which could be due to its broader global exposure, including areas with slower growth compared to the US market. If diversification is a priority, Vermont offers the most comprehensive coverage. While its returns are lower, it may offer a more balanced risk profile. VTI and VOO are focused on the US market, which has performed well over the past decade, while QQQ's tech focus has provided high returns, but with potentially higher volatility. Remember, while these historical returns provide valuable insight, they don't guarantee future performance. Always consult a financial advisor or the latest market data for the most current and personalized investment advice.